Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Hey, let's talk about trademarks and patents. Protecting your business or your solution or product with trademarks and patents. I've always applied for trademarks for every single business. Depending on what that business is, you're not going to get a trademark. You might get, I take Strategic Advisor Board, right? We have a service mark, but we'll never ever get a trademark. Why? Because the words are too common. So unless you have something that's like wildly different, you're probably not going to get an official trademark anyway. Patents, things like that, there's varied opinions out there on that. There again, as I've said before, unless you got the frickin' cure for cancer or the next rocket that's going to take people to Pluto, I don't really know if they matter all that much. Again, just my opinion. But as far as trademarks and stuff like that, it can't hurt to at least file for them. If they come back and say, sorry, you can't do it, at least you know that nobody else can trademark out from underneath of you at least, okay? So anyway, do your due diligence if some of these things even make any sense and go from there. All right, I hope that was useful. We'll see you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.